In this video, we are going to show you how to sign up for Zendesk. So once you are in Zendesk.com, as you can see here, you want to try 14-day free trial, no credit card required, which is pretty cool. So just type in your email here and then click try for free. There we go. So here we are going to be asked certain questions. So we're just going to enter our name. So let's say or something, right? Click next. So you're just going to enter your phone number here, click next, and then you're just going to enter your company name, and then click next. Enter your job title, so whatever job title, say you're a manager, there we go. And then just choose how many employees you have. We're going to stick with 1 to 9, click next. And then you're just going to log in or create your login password. So we're just going to do, there you go. Click create Zendesk account. Now, after this, it's going to give us a verification email. What we're going to do, we're just going to click on open Gmail. We're just going to click on verify my email. There you go. Let's wait for it to load. And once you're here, you can now start setting up your Zendesk account. So that is pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.